Stream started. Maximizing your streaming experience at all times. I've been watching a bit of this stuff. We get to this. I told you. I mean, we'll be doing a lot of this. God damn it, this chat again. Like, really? There's no way to make it not appear all the time? Like, come on, YouTube, implement that stuff. Alright, so cut off this, pop this subtitle, even though it's gibberish mostly. So he works with some Z's here. Don't matter so much. So skip that. Like, this is 5th grade in China, so respectfully move on like that. Bro, what? Why are you showing right there? What? Showing that sound like... What is this video, man? I mean, 50 points? I thought he had 100 points like this. Like in China, 100 points. I mean, not every... I mean, some countries also have 100 points in or their tests, like they're big and stuff. So I don't know what he's doing here. He's showing something here. I might have to use another video here because he's solving some gibberish, man. Solve examples here. You're just swiping through. Fuck this shit. Let's go for another stuff. Another video. I got 10,000 videos and exercises we can solve. So we'll be exactly fine. Let's see like the best video here. So he explains some hard exercises. Fuck that. So we got some how to get a C at the test, okay? Geometry video, trigonometry, I don't need that shit. Some type video. Okay. Boom. Excellent. Okay. Right. Right, I understand like what he's doing here. Let me check out this one for now. Alright. Should I watch this? Should I actually watch this? Should I watch something else? I think I should watch something else like this. Yeah, let's go with this one. Fucking chat, fucking have to enable subtitles. Like, we live in 2010 or something like that. Okay. Yapping, I don't need that. Straight to the point, straight to the point. I don't need to spend more time than necessary here. Let's go, let's go. So, he's gonna solve this one. It's no more gibberish, like going to another page and stuff. Alright, first exercise. We got all OGs and stuff. Well, here, like gang, man. Here just use the powers and stuff. 81, that's 9 to the power of 2. And then we have log of 9. We can put log base 3 of power of 2. 6, I don't know, you can write by 3 times 2, I don't know if it's helping. 7, just skip it like that. Log 7, we can put like, instead of 9, 3 of power of 2, working from there. Alright, so it just explains like how to pass the test with the lowest mark. I mean, I'm fine. I guess if I'll have like B minus, I'll be fine. Alright, so come on, solve already. There we go. Yes, like I said, 9 to the power of 2. 9 to the power of 2. So this is what you get. 2 goes there. Now 2 goes up front. Yeah, there's like this property, but you gotta have a hang of. Looks like he didn't change the 9 over there to the base. So it's gonna be a 6 to the power of 2, that's 36. And like 36, I mean, obviously that's 6 to the power of 2, so I don't know, it's gonna write down like 4 times 9. 36, yeah. Oh, so they just fucking cancel out like that and get 36. Yeah, like you gotta know like this shit, like if you do like 100 exercises, like you know the shit like you know your 5 fingers. So now with 7, like, I mean, if you take a look at the example at the top, I mean, what can be done? Well, obviously 7, you cannot make it like something like power. If you put a power of 1, it's gonna be useless. Oh, yeah, so just fucking cancel out, and 9. Like, boom. And like you're gonna have like 36 minus 9 in the square root, and that's like 27, right? Yeah. And if it's like a 3 in front of the square root, you gotta think of a number that gets you 27 to the power of 3, which is 3, because 3 times 3, that's 9, times 3, 27. And yeah, I'm 100% positive that's that. So we got that. Exactly 3, my friends. Now we're gonna go to the next exercise. We're not gonna waste any time. Using my skip button. If I need to, I'll basically speed this video up. It just explains like another way, I guess, with 3 to the power of 4. So if you do like with 3 to the power of 4, you get exactly this, and it's gonna be like 6 to the power of 4, and 6 to the power of 4 fucking us as much. That's that. So 3 to the power of 2, you can pop that. Like that, those two numbers, like I think it's like they go up front, like 4 divided by 2, so 2 up front. I don't know exactly. So they cancel out kind of. They're divided, and then you just have 2 there, and 6 to the power of 2 is 36. I mean, yeah, okay. Kind of. Like, really gotta remember this shit, like. Yeah. So. Let's fucking skip. Bro, I'm skipping for 10 years, like, what? You just shows how wrong here. Uh, plus 5, minus 5, power 4, minus 5. I don't know what the fuck is showing. Some module things. Whatever, we're gonna work this out. Like, this one also really easy. Quadratic. Like, I know this shit like my 5 fingers. B minus 2, C 5. Then delta is gonna be 4 minus 20. Hold up. Is it actually gonna be 4 minus 20? So it's b to the second power, which is gonna be 4 minus 4 times c. So it's gonna be minus 16, huh? Minus 16 the delta. But if you got minus 16, like, it's no solution, right? As far as I know. What? It's 4? What do you mean? What do you mean it's 4, mate? It's 4 minus 20. Oh, he just showed that. Okay. Minus 16. That's what you get. Okay, so now what? If it's, I know my shit. I mean, if it's minus 16, boom, you're out of solutions. Oh, oh my god, like, solve some stuff with I at the power of 2. Like, is it actually how you solve this shit? Like, what? Bro. I mean, like, if it's in C, I guess, like, if you have it, like, with minus, you can still solve it, so, yeah. In that case, we're fine, so, like, we gotta add an I there, like, square root of this delta. You just put, like, 4, and an I. So he basically explains how this stuff is done. Like, you gotta know with its I and stuff, like, it's second power, so you're fine like that, 4i. And then 4 minus 4i on 4 is what you get. And I mean on 2, so it's gonna be like what you're gonna get there. 4 minus 4i on 2. I guess that, I don't know. Oh, it's actually there 2 minus. So 2. What you do from there, I mean, you can take like some common factor, I don't know. Like put 2 up front, something like that. And you're gonna have 1 minus 2i and so like that. But I don't know exactly. 2 minus 4i on 2. Okay, now what? Yeah, like, I mean, you could do like me and simplify the 2, or you could do like this. It's your choice. So this is essentially what you get. And now you solve like the second thing. I think shows like another explanation. I mean, not another explanation, it's just with plus, and if it's just with plus, like, it's just the same thing but with plus. And solution is gonna be like this. Like, you gotta watch out for this commas and stuff. Yeah, you're gonna get that. Alright, now moving on. Yeah, this dude got a microphone. Yo, donate. Let me buy a microphone. I mean, I can buy a microphone, but I want to splurge in it. Exercise free. So, it starts off by DVA. Yeah, I mean DVA, boom. No issue. You just take what's below a square root and you put like bigger or equal to 0. And yeah, so like that. So what you're gonna get like DVA? You're gonna get like axis bigger or equal to 12. So yeah, you get that. And then I think we gotta do like some equaling shit. Like we get DVA. And after that, basically we need to like move 8 to the left, so it's gonna be -8, and then we're gonna equal it to 0 something. Yeah, so I'm gonna be back. Boom, back. Told you I'm fast. I mean, it was like this time. Okay, so yeah, like I said, it's gonna be like that. Bro, we can see my room is getting dark. I mean, we're gonna turn on the lights and stuff like that. No issue, don't worry about me, I got enough money to pay my electricity. So you like put all the second power, I guess. I mean, like in this equation, sometimes like you gotta check it out and stuff, like how you work with the second power and stuff. So yeah, basically x minus 12, and then smaller than 8 is gonna be, I mean, smaller than 64. I mean, yeah, you could do that, I mean, no issue, bro. Like, solve it how you want, and x is gonna be, like, you switch variance, gonna be smaller than exactly 76. Yeah. And so, if you take a look DVA, I mean, basically, it's gonna be like, basically, it gotta be like bigger than 12 or equal, and that kind of matches. And then you put like the 12 with a circle that's colored because it's like can be equal because of that line below the bigger sign, and then you put the 76 over there to the right because it's farther than 0, and without a circle, color circle, because you know it's not with that line. And then you just cross it out like from 12 pop onwards, and then from 76 downwards, and then the hashed out intervals are gonna be the intervals, and then you're gonna put in a solution, and that's it. That should be it, right? So it should be exactly like I said. 12, like I said, with a color dot. 76 there, boom. 12 goes on there. 76 go boom. Like, no issue, bruv. So 12 to 76, cause parentheses like that, cause color circle, and boom. And now solution is gonna be s is equal with the interval from 12 to 76, something like that, I think. I don't know. Yeah, exactly like that. Yeah. So yeah, I got max points as expected. Like, I guess you gotta do the graph, like max points, boom. You can't really do it in your mind. Maybe you can do it in your mind, I don't know. Yeah, I guess, yeah. I mean, if you really want max grade, like you won't be here, I guess. Okay. Right, right, right. Right, 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 right. Boom. Next thing, next big thing. Steve Jobs announced that I'm gonna solve this exercise. So, give us function fx times x to second power. He got minus 12x from somewhere, I don't know from where. I guess showing some BS example. DVA. Like what? Huh. What, like, what? I mean, what? So that's it, huh? I guess, like, he just got this, like, he didn't, was not ready the conditional stuff. So let's switch back and DVA. So DVA should be like the term under the square root to be bigger or equal to 0, the that. So that's gonna be like um, something. It's too hard to do in my mind. And then you just gotta pop everything to the second power, left, right, and then you just solve like what you got there, put on the line, and think with dots and stuff and stuff. Okay, so you like that, and then intervals and stuff. So what I done here, like when you have it like this, you put a common factor x and x minus 12, boom. So he put a 0 on graph in 12, and basically he shows that it goes like this because it's larger than 0, and shows that on the left it's minus because from 0 there. So in the interval is going to be like from minus infinite till 0 till 12, and plus infinite, and why it's square parentheses there in the numbers because there's equal with a line like I explained before. So yeah, that's how you give a line, and basically those are the intervals. It cannot be like the interval from between there because DVA and stuff like that. I mean, yeah, this is hard to remember because it's more boring, but anyways, like you pop everything second power, so boom, like 0 like that. Now here it's like more intricate because in the previous one we could have just solved like switched there, switched you know because we just had x and smaller or something. Here we gotta do like the quadratic. We got this. We're gonna have to equal 0, do delta and stuff. Move on. I'm gonna turn on my lights and like stuff like that and be back. Yo, cuz I'm gonna be back. Like, we got like some jobs and gonna be back with stream like boom.